How to join a WeChat group. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will be learning how you can join a WeChat group. So to join a WeChat group, you have a few options. And the first option is through the group QR code. So if someone shares a group QR code with you, you can just share and we can just scan the QR code and then you'll be able to join the group. And how do you scan the QR code? There are different ways. The major way is by going to the lowest part of the screen where you can see options like chat, contact, discover me. Click on the discover tab, and on discover tab you can see the option scan. So you can just click on that, and then you can see allow WeChat to take photos and record videos. So allow the settings, and then once you've scanned the group QR code, you'll be added to the group, all right, automatically. Now that is for a public group. So if you happen not to have the group's QR code, the second way is by opening your WeChat application just like we have done here. Then move to the top right corner, click on the plus icon, and then the options displayed, select new chat. And on the chat page, you can see select a group, join a private group. So just click on join a private group, and then if you want WeChat to access the device's location, you can select it. And then on this page, you can see join a group chat with friends nearby by entering the required 4 digits. So you can just go ahead and enter in the 4 digit password that has been shared with you to start or to join a group with friends nearby. So these are the two major ways, all right. Another way is by exploring WeChat channels. All right, WeChat channels are another way to discover and join groups related to specific interests or topics. And how do you join WeChat channels? Move to the lowest part of the screen as well and click on the Discover tab that you can see there. On the Discover page, you can see options like moments, channels, etc. Just click on channels and then explore the channels page and join the channels based on your interests, and you're good to go. That is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.